What is going on, everybody? It's your boy NeoStarling, and I am back here with another review on a product that I'm going to be utilizing from now on. I am going to be reviewing the Comica V30 Pro. Yes, that's right. This is actually a shotgun mic that you mount on top of your camera, or you could plug into like an audio interface in order to get some better audio versus using your default camera audio, which will sound like crap. This you could just plug directly on top of your camera. It has a 3.5mm jack, which I recommend if you want to use this for your phone, that you get the converter piece that has the 3 rings instead of the 2, because the 2 will only work on your camera. So this won't work on your phone unless you actually use the converter piece. Also, this is a pretty hefty big mic. It has a cheap little like plastic shock mount, which is okay. It's not really that bad. And it has a pop filter here, windscreen. Let's plug this back in here. It also comes with this wind muff. People call it a dead cat, but I kind of think it looks more like a dead skunk. I don't know, whatever. We're not gonna be using this thing. Yeah, it also has a plus 10 dB. I have it on actually. Let me conserve the battery. It actually has a plus 10 dB. I don't really recommend using this unless you're like outdoors or you're further away towards where it needs that boost of audio in order to like pick you up properly, because yeah, otherwise it's gonna get really choppy, it's gonna peak, it's gonna sound really bad. It also has a low cut pass filter. This I only recommend using if you're in an environment that's not very treated and it just sounds like crap everywhere else you're at. I don't typically like to use it because what I often find that ends up happening is that it kind of cuts the dynamics of your voice, so it can get a little choppy depending on how you're utilizing it. This also utilizes batteries, so make sure you have your batteries. This takes 2 AAA batteries, so make sure that you plug these bad boys in if you want to utilize this. But with that said, enough of my jabbering. We are going to get down to the rest of the review. I'm going to plug this in and we're going to see how it sounds, so stay tuned. All right, everybody. Now, this is what it sounds like natively without using the additional 10 dB boost. I'm a little further than arm's length away from the camera, as you can see here, but if I get a little closer, this would be typically the distance that you would be using it in an outside environment if you're on selfie mode, essentially. So this will be the distance that you'll be talking. So I'm going to step back a little more. This is what it sounds like. If I come around to the side of the microphone, I'm speaking on the right-hand side of the microphone. We're gonna come around to the left-hand side, and this is what it'll sound like. And I'm not gonna use the back because for obvious reasons, you're not gonna be recording from behind. Or at least I hope you don't. And also my camera is kind of facing a wall that I can't get around. But with that said, this is pretty much what it'll sound like. Once more, I'm not gonna use the low cut pass filter, and I'm not gonna use the additional 10 dB boost. So you guys let me know what this sounds like. Next, I'm gonna be that awkward YouTuber that goes outside, and I'm going to be holding it in narcissism mode so that I could actually show you all what it sounds like when you are in an outside environment. So I will be right back. This is what it sounds like in the outside with the dead cat, as everybody likes to call it. I'm just testing it out real quick. So yeah, pretty much if you're in the outside environment and you're walking around, this will be what it looks and sounds like. Let me know what you guys think, if that works for you. Again, it's arm's length away because I'm using a small little tripod. And next I'm going to show you what it sounds like without the dead cat on it. And this is what it sounds like without the dead cat slash wind muff. It's pretty standard. Let me know what you guys think. Once more, I'm talking directly to you. I have it arm's length away because I am walking around in the outside world. My neighbors are looking at me like if I'm a freak of nature because I'm holding a camera up to my face with a shotgun mic pointed at me. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what that sounds like. Deuces. So that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. For anyone that stuck to the very end, you guys are amazing people, man. Seriously. Because this is hard work. A lot of work goes into content producing. If you feel that you've gained any value from this video, please feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, do the damn thing and help a brother out. Don't just watch the video and then go away with this newfound information that you got and not give credit to your content creators, because that's just evil. But with that said, you've all been awesome. I am NeoStarling. Don't ever let anyone tell you that you can't do something that you know you're fully capable of. signing off.